Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 23rd of September. And first of all, national news. Strong decision. Government with a full majority enabled passage of Women's Bill, PM Modi. Supreme Court rejected pleas to include barium, allow joint firecrackers in Delhi. Parliamentary panel recommended BGPS trackers to reduce overcrowding in prisons. Chandrayaan 3 ISRO attempted to revive Vikram lander Pragyan rover. No response yet. Sports Minister Anurag Thakur cancelled China trip after Arunachal Pradesh athletes are denied entry. Air Force conducted special air show to mark 76 years of Jammu Kashmir acceding to India. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal approved Rs 10 crore contribution for Himachal Pradesh disaster relief. Document experiences of organizing G20 summit, PM Modi to officials. Now some international news. Russia said a Ukrainian missile strike hit its Black Sea Fleet headquarters. A serviceman is missing. United States and China launch economic and financial working groups with aim of easing tensions. Taiwan said detected 24 Chinese military aircraft in air defense zone. Zelensky visited Canada for first time since war started, seeking to shore up support for Ukraine. Ukraine, US agreed to launch joint weapons production, Zelensky said. China, India facing a hydropower crunch, power regulators turn to fossil fuels. Now some sports news. Asian Games 2023, Indian women's table tennis team starts campaign with win over Singapore. Lionel Messi, I was only World Cup winner who did not get recognition from my club. Chance for Neeraj Chopra led India to showcase its sporting prowess at Asian Games. Cricket World Cup winners to get $4 million and runners up to get $2 million ICC. Business related news. No alarms about crude oil surge yet, Finance Ministry said. Rupee rose 19 paise to close at 82.94 against US dollar. Finman welcomed JP Morgan's move to add Indian government bonds in emerging market index. SEBI levies 55 lakh rupees fine on 11 entities for non-genuine trades. Declare willful defaulters within 6 months of NPA tag, RBI proposal. And that's all in news. Thank you.